Welcome to Legal Lens, Zimbabwe. Today we're diving into one of the most pressing issues of our time, environmental law and policy. From climate change to deforestation, pollution to land degradation, Zimbabwe, like the rest of the world, faces serious environmental challenges. But did you know that the law plays a crucial role in protecting our environment? That's exactly what this module is all about. We'll explore the fundamental principles of environmental law, sustainability, precaution, and prevention. How Zimbabwe's Environmental Management Act shapes policies and enforcement. The role of courts, international organizations, and NGOs in environmental protection. Key challenges: weak laws, the effectiveness of environmental impact assessments. But here's the big question. Are our laws strong enough to protect our environment? And if not, what can we do about it? Join me as we break down complex legal concepts into engaging, real-life discussions that affect you. Whether you're a student, a policymaker, or just someone who cares about the future of our planet, this module is for you. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss this before we dive in and unpack the laws that shape the future of our environment. Here's what's in store for you. Lecture 1, Orientation. Lecture. Get ready for an exciting journey into environmental law. Lecture 2, the Conceptual Framework. We'll trace the roots of environmental law, understand its meaning, and explore why it's so important. Lecture 3, International Environmental Law, IEL. Discover global environmental treaties, state responsibilities, and how international law influences national policies. Lecture 4, Relationship between IEL and national law. Learn how Zimbabwe applies key environmental principles like sustainable development, the polluter pays principle, and environmental justice. Lecture 5, The Legal Framework in Zimbabwe. We break down Zimbabwe's constitution and the Environmental Management Act. How well they protect our environment. Lecture 6, Regulating and Assessing Development. We explore land use, mining regulations, and the role of environmental impact assessments. EIAs. Lecture 7, Natural Resource Use and Conservation. From water rights to biodiversity protection, we unpack the legal aspects of conserving nature. Lecture 8, Waste Management and Pollution Control. How do we regulate air, water, and hazardous waste pollution? This lecture covers it all. Lecture 9, Climate Change and Greenhouse Issues. We tackle climate litigation, Zimbabwe's role in global climate action, and the legal framework surrounding climate change. Lecture 10, Implementation and Enforcement. Laws mean nothing without enforcement. We'll analyze how environmental laws are upheld in Zimbabwe. Lecture 11, Sustainable Finance and Carbon Markets. Learn how carbon trading, green bonds, and environmental taxes shape sustainable development. Lecture 12, Environmental Law and War. Yes, even war has environmental consequences. We'll examine how conflicts impact environmental law. By the end of this module, you'll not only understand environmental law, you'll see how it affects you, your community, and the future of our planet. So, hit subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's get down into exploring how the law may be used as a powerful tool to protect the environment.